Checking out Spider Paradise. Spiders everywhere. Spiders just busy. They eating good, I'll tell you that. So many in such a small spot. They eating real good. They're trying to build their nest up. All over the place. They all look big, chunky, and healthy. Like they eat good. Every night. And you look up, you see a doggone metropolis of spider webs and spiders. Woo. They everywhere up there.